Welcome back to another episode, Always Doing Something. This evening it is January 21st, 2020.
2022.
I mean 2022. It's Nicole's birthday today. We're hanging out here in OB at the OB Hotel. That's Ocean Beach, to y'all that don't know. And we're eating some burritos right now. And we're gonna get ready and watch the rest of the sunset right here. Check out what we're rocking with here. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me show you our little hotel room we got here. Not very many lights in here. You can see me, of course. And then I got our little teeny bathroom right here. Oh, one person. Hey look, there I am again. Toilet, sink, of course, you know. We got our bed. Our dining room. Here's our closet right here. Got TV, little dresser. That's about it. So, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, leave us a comment below, tell Nicole happy birthday.
We'll see you later.
Hope you're having a wonderful day, like always. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another episode, Always Doing Something. Here at the hotel we stayed at last night. Didn't do any recording last night because we just hung out. It was Nicole's birthday. We just chilled. So let me show you. I know I showed you this shower right here. This shower right here, it's got the best water pressure out of any hotel we've ever been in. This bed right here, this thing is the most comfortable bed I've probably ever slept in. This thing is amazing.
We need to move it to the house.
Yes. Come out here, check this out this morning. It's about 8:30. Been up for about an hour, but definitely a good way to wake up right here. Look at us, look at that hairdo. Right?
It gets better when you do this. Yeah,
check out the waves out here. Alright, well I'm gonna go out front. I'll show you guys what it looks like out there. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Check this out. Up here on the 3rd floor, you know, you get the top view. Got all the street vendors. There's the, down yonder there, what do you call that, the courtyard. Got a cute little fountain. Last night these were all lit up. So it's pretty nice out here. Nicole had a wonderful birthday. That's all that really matters. Got to go down the car, get her makeup bag. You know, she got to get all dolled up. Yeah, FJ. Nicole's new ride right here. You guys like it? It's pretty nice. I came walking back up the stairs. Check out Nicole. She looks like she belongs here. She got sweatpants on, a jacket, and a dress. like a hippie, an OB hippie.
All I need is a table and some stuff to sell.
That's right. So when you come to a hotel and you sit down in the chairs on the patio, when you look right at this. Doesn't make any sense. So I decided to put a towel on the table, and now I'm gonna sit like this. That's the way it should be done. This should have chairs this tall. That guy's surfing with the paddle right there. See that guy right down there in the yellow hat? He's been there all night long. He slept right there next to the curb on the street. Nicole says it's probably the safest spot to be. I think it's the unsafest spot to be, but to each their own. Waiting for these guys out here to shoot the pier. If you don't know what shoot the pier is, that means that's when they surf through it on a wave. Here we go, someone's shooting the pier right now. A little baby one. Yeah. Nope. Ain't gonna do it with that one. Oh, that guy shot the pier too. Barely made it. That was sick. Look at that lovely girl down there. Huh? Sunshine. Yeah, I know. When's Jerry gonna start having kids?
When we have grandbabies.
How cute this is right here. Cute little sweater. Look at this one right here. Well, I need someone with a little baby kid. Oh, look at this thing. Babe, look at this one. These are just adorable.
I know, there's freaking cute. There's one in here like that. Look at this one.
Look how small this is, everyone. Is that thing just not adorable right there? Mr. Cliff. Mr. Cliff. And he's out cold. Hey, we're gonna go to the house and get him a wheelchair. Okay, he had passed out. I took my smokes. I was like, I'm gonna leave these for him right here. I stuck him up under, I put him on his chest, he didn't move. I stuck him underneath his jacket.
That's funny.
Yeah, so when he wakes up, he'll be like, what the fuck? Out cold. I tried to wake him up. I was like, Mr. Cliff. Mr. Cliff.
Out for the day, he'll sleep for the night.
Yeah. I mean, if you can't do anything, you might as well just get shit-faced and lay there.
Right?
I'm gonna go give him.
Bar right there.
There's bars everywhere. This place is a whole bar. Here you go, bud. 302, both our cards. All right, everyone. We had a fun time last night. Did some hangouts, some people watching.
That was lots of fun. Woke up to the beautiful freaking sunshine here, and it's a gorgeous day. Tank top.
We're staying here at, check it out, Ocean Beach Hotel.
Good rooms, good bed, good showers, beautiful views.
Take us out.
Good company back behind there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment down there, and we'll see you next time.
Hope you're having a wonderful day.